Yesterday, I made $30,000 trading meme coins. And in this video, I'm gonna show you every single one of my trades that I was taking with the best traders on chain. People like Cupsy, Scented, Jack Duval, Creo. You're gonna see all of our raw trades. I think it's gonna be a super valuable video. Before we start, all you need to do is download Terminal. It's the platform that we use to trade. You can find it on ethanprosper.com or in the description below. Anyways, let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy.
Take a best pick.
You actually send 1%? Yeah. The other one's just going. I thought it was gonna rape nuke after bond.
Call it. It's a real website. It links back to their account. You go to RiskOnPod, Twitter, onto Temps.
The other one's 70K now, bro. Oh my god.
This is a good fucking coin, but there's no name. Lobo is not the name. Makes sense, right? I mean, it doesn't have any names, so.
Nah, it's the same thing. The one at 22, it's just wolf in Spanish.
Lobo?
Yeah, that means wolf in Spanish. Yeah, it does.
Oh, and that's good. Why didn't they say that? Maybe in Portuguese. That's my fault. Lobo's good then. I'll put back my profits that I made off of the wrong ticker and hope it goes. That. Send the shit. And it's fucking just ripping, bro. Target for Lobo. Just like an aura animal. It's like the aura bird and stuff, and they have faucet in, so as long as there's nothing crazy that spawns, it'll just keep running until the next, like, you know, crazy coin spawns. Does it have a comm yet? Can they make one? Oh, there you go. Remembers. Yeah, bro. Good. Oh my god. That's fucking entry, hopefully. People will look at coins that are unbundled and be like, oh, I can't buy this. Or sorry, we'll look at coins that are bundled and be like, I can't buy this. And then they'll buy coins that have no bundles. But if you buy a coin with no bundles, you're buying on top of people who don't have enough money to push a coin and are gonna sell on you, and it's like rarely gonna pick up momentum. Now, this kind of depends, because obviously if the narrative's good enough, that always wins. But if you're looking at a narrative like this, right, you saw 10 of them. One of them bonded with a fat bundle. Like, I'm gonna follow the volume, because at the end of the day, bro, like, that's where all the attention is gonna go. That's what people are gonna look at. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, we're fucking mooning. Buy, fucking hold, easy, bro. And everyone always says bullshit. Raper, new pair rapist, this, that, whatever. Top blasted a coin, bro, after bond. Held it for an hour in front of you guys. 50 soul. What do you guys have to say now? I mean, obviously you guys are my loyal viewers, but right now we're here. Oh, fucking caught some wicks there. I like that. I don't want to round trip this. I'm gonna cut a bit. Thanks, bro.
Wait, is this not good here?
Now that it has a site, and this one's at the top, token donations, it's at the top. 53 soul. Yeah.
What's happening on 1%?
They put it on the site, and it's like the #1 coin.
That's it.
If you go on this site in Gen, it's like a practically show up at FOMO. The #1 coin donating to the FOMO Foundation, and it's on their blog. We publicly shared the FOMO Foundation. The community showed up. People started donating soul. They put the coin at the top.
Where was this info at
What
20K?
happened on 1%?
They
This
put
info
it
was
on
there
the
at
site.
20K.
It was that info.
Didn't
I was
shit.
saying it. I
You've been
put it in
talking.
Gen. You've been saying it, and I bought
Didn't
it.
hear anything.
Yeah.
I think
Me
we
neither.
and Prosper had a conversation about it for like a minute.
We were talking about it for like a minute. Look at this. This is on their site, bro. It links back to them. Why are you fighting, BullX? Go to their Twitter, then go to
Where's the link to the site? I mean the coin.
go to their Twitter, or their official Twitter. Go
Click
to
the thing in
Ponzi
Gen,
Times,
like,
the power of the team, and then FOMOFoundation.fund, and it goes to them. This was the whole narrative earlier, and they didn't bundle it. It was at 10K, at 0.
Oh, I see. Contribute to rankings.
Yeah,
1%
it's
for the
number
team.
1.
Isn't
Yeah,
that pretty
that's good.
Jenny?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That's good.
No, wait, there's a coin, and then
I click a little bit, but there's no FUD, right?
No clue how it's supposed to be fake.
There's no fake. Yeah, it's not fake. They're just
It's
trying to
linked
shake
on
us
the
out.
Rex and
They're
everything.
just trying to shake us out. There's no way, bro. Wow. What's the FUD?
We're fighting it in Prosp.
How? How are they FUDing it?
Almost 300 soul, man.
They one clipped an 80? Okay.
Bro, just a straight new cheese. Insta bonding.
Yeah, they're like an account for
They
it.
have a Twitter and shit.
Yeah,
One
I
of these
know.
should giga run, bro. Everyone's tweeting about this shit, and now there's a coin with a Twitter.
I've been tweeting about it all day. It's like the cheese brings you Bitcoin, money, Naira, and it's just everyone's tweeting about it. And then Ito just said cheese coin. Here, look at this. Even Coinbase tweeted it earlier.
The Mario coin.
We're gonna do it. Damn, I should have held more on that. Oh my god, now they're adding faucet. I'll rebuy something in case. Oh, Lobo just got taken out. And cheese. Bro, these faucets are just.
Yeah, apparently the AI created the coin.
Yeah, I saw that. It's like the automated account. So, okay.
Hermingway, what's this?
It's just like an AI agent. They've been preparing to launch since yesterday.
It's obviously supply controlled as fuck. There's zero
Yes,
sell
it
pressure.
is. Railed. Oh, that was fun while it lasted, I guess.
Was you?
What?
oh my god.
The picture.
And find the one, Connor.
Let's change the name. Grokbot.
Is it Grokbot?
Wait, there's a website now.
Where?
Oh my god, there's.
Need the stonk whales. Need fucking like the people that are big in stonk to come by on Puma.
It's gonna go higher.
Wow.
It's the new Grok. How high did Grok go? We've been begging for a Giga narrative. This is a 1 mil runner right now. This is more than 1 mil, bro. All of this bullshit is making this consolidate and gonna go higher.
Dude, what's up?
No bullshit anymore on all this shit, bro. People are done with it. And then this one's already high enough that when Elon tweets and X tweets, it's gonna wick it higher.
Yes.
Look at how we're cooking today, guys. Look at this. Above 150 on this. I'm gonna let the rest ride. I think we have like 2, 3, even 4 or 5 mil
in general.
in this. I don't know if I love that. I think it'll probably get eaten, like at this point with this fucking full chart. Oh, Elon.
Oh,
Follow. Perfect. Everyone's been begging for shit like this to happen.
It's fake.
Yeah, it's
Hold on.
fake.
Oh my.
Dude.
Got the trade sale, then I can't lie. If they're selling it down to fucking under 2, then I do not want to be the last one in the fucking tail down, you know? Oh my god. Okay, bro, I'm out. 198. Fuck.
just didn't want to call him that there's an OG.
Yeah, you should have said it, bro.
Yeah, but that's just like annoying.
This
Like,
is not real
No,
life.
but
like,
that
you know when
was
you're in
like-
a coin and Jason
there's a
goes, like,
different
there's
type
an
of
OG in every single
There's a
coin.
different
Like I
type
just
of
can't do
OG,
that,
'cause
bro.
this is an account that was like active and about pump fun and is like the psyop of them changing it for this coin is like a thing. Like it's literally about this. Look at the logo. Once upon a time, like
Why
they
is it
changed
just
their,
going now?
Logan.
It's old.
Because they changed it on Instagram. They have the ad on X.
It's
memes
been there
into
on
money.
Instagram.
Like this one is just infinitely better, and as the new one goes higher, this one will just vamp ultimately.
Oh my
Yeah, it's
god, Logan
Why are
Lim
they
on the
just
fucking other
rerunning
one.
Coins?
It's actually just free, bro.
Oh,
You should have combat.
They should come that so much earlier.
Dude.
I mean, it's fine, bro, but. Oh, I like that. They're talking about how, like, they've been working for 25 days and they're bullish and fucking vamps always happen, and like it wasn't a surprise that it came out, but he's saying like Elon should run like this. There's no way we've been sitting for a month trying to grind this and getting vamps. He's bullish, bro. Oh my god. We're fucking lit, boys. We're fucking lit.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Fucking
I got hoes
cooked,
that I'm
bro.
keeping in
500 sold today. On live, on top blasting and holding coins. And motherfuckers try and come for me and talk shit. We are teed, bro. We all top blasted post-spawn coins, held them, fucking took W's. And people still try to talk shit. I hope every single person here is eating with us.
Yeah, I'm really unsure how the main one seems to be at 2 million market cap when every D-Riv seems to be bonding. I've actually never seen this.
I
in my life.
know. Ew. What does this have?
It's actually just buy the
Fucking
base
house of
bro.
HOH Alpha
are ass.
fucking follows. Oh my god.
Don't make me
I'm gonna
get
send
mad.
her. Is it real? I mean, unconfirmed, but it's using their
You
metadata.
fat inbred.
What? Certified? Or no, I think I just traded it on new pairs. Oh my god. Something's wrong here. Selling some.
What do you mean?
Sniper.
Cheated all the coins this morning, but I still. Yes. It actually, dude, it started looking.
Oh no. 20 souls on my head.
Spawns at fucking.
It's the same guy though.
Fortnite kids can hold too.
Justice for Foster. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and again, check out all of my links at ethanprosper.com. This entire trading session was live on Twitch. So, you know, if you guys want to watch the next ones, just make sure you subscribe there. Follow me on Twitter, join the Discord. Yeah, you get the gist. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.